Monospace at Newmarket Village. Very nice cab in this thing. A pretty decently sized cab. The basement button's broken. There's maintenance. I think it might be an N Monospace. Oh look. KS 51 without braille or anything. Might be it. I reckon it's an N Monospace. Right on the edge of being able to be one. 1600 kilograms, which is the maximum capacity for one of them. It's not the best condition, is it? Dead indicator, but buttons. A few buttons broken, and wrong buttons. Weird cabinet at the top floor though. Looks like it used to be something else, almost. I think there's two lifts here. I think the other one's a Nardec. I'm not too sure. Here it is. AMD2. Nice cab. One last ride down the basement and back. No insulation new in this thing. I reckon, I don't know, 2015 maybe?